If you're seeing a Capcut login error like retry after 24 hours, maximum attempts reached, an age restriction message, or the desktop app getting stuck on the login screen, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest and most effective fixes, step by step, so you can get back into Capcut as quickly as possible. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick software fixes like this. Let's start with the most common issue: retry after 24 hours or maximum attempts reached. If Capcut is showing this message, the most important thing you can do is stop trying to log in over and over again. Repeated attempts can reset the cooldown and make the wait longer. Instead, wait a full 24 hours without trying again, even on a different device or through mobile. I know that's frustrating, but in this case, patience is the real fix. Once the cooldown period is over, try logging in again only once, carefully, and make sure you're entering the correct account details. Now let's move to the second issue, the age restriction error. This usually happens when the birth date on the account you're using doesn't meet the legal age requirements for the service. To fix this, check the date of birth in the settings of your source provider account, such as your Google account or Apple ID. Make sure the date is correct and that the account meets the age requirement in your region. If the birth date was entered incorrectly, update it through the official account settings. After making the change, sign out completely, restart the app, and try logging in again. In some cases, the update may take a little time to sync, so be patient and allow the account changes to fully apply. Next, if you're using the desktop version of Capcut and it's stuck on the login screen, the problem may be caused by an outdated app or a system time issue. First, go to the official Capcut website and download the newest version of the desktop app. Installing the latest version can fix bugs, login failures, and compatibility problems that older versions may have. Once that's done, check your Windows or Mac system clock and make sure it is set to update automatically. Incorrect date and time settings can interfere with login authentication and cause the app to freeze or fail to connect properly. After enabling automatic time settings, restart your computer and launch Capcut again. If it still isn't working, try closing Capcut fully and reopening it after a fresh restart of your device. Sometimes a simple restart clears temporary glitches and restores the login process. You can also make sure your internet connection is stable and that no VPN or firewall is blocking the app from connecting properly. If you're still having trouble, sign out of the account everywhere else, then try again from one device only. So to recap, if you see retry after 24 hours or maximum attempts reached, stop trying and wait out the cooldown. If you get an age restriction error, verify the date of birth on your Google or Apple account. And if the desktop app is stuck, update Capcut and make sure your system clock is set correctly. These 3 fixes solve most Capcut login problems. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.